In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the add-in so that you can complete the MyEducator assessments. First, select the download material, locate the file that you just downloaded, and open it. The file will open in Excel. In order for the add-in to install correctly, we need to select Enable Macros. To install the add-in, click on the Install Add-in button in the center of the blue box. Microsoft Excel will display a message letting you know that the install was successful. Click OK. Excel closes to complete the install. So reopen Excel, make sure a blank workbook is selected, and choose Create. To display the add-in, choose Add-ins, select Atlas 3.0, and a new button will be added to the Home menu, and the MyEducator window will open on the right-hand side of your screen. You've now successfully installed the add-in and can begin working on any assignments in your book.